Hello everyone, this is video lesson number 5 on the chapter simple equation. In the previous video we learned about application of simple equation. Again in this video we are going to learn the same topic, that is application of simple equation, that we are going to solve some word problems based on simple equation. Student, here I take three word problems. One by one I am going to solve the questions. The first question is, a bag contains ₹1 coins and ₹2 coins whose total value is ₹70. If the number of ₹1 coins is 5 times that of ₹2 coins, find the number of coins of each type. A bag contains ₹1 coin and ₹2 coin, and the number of coin is, if the number of coin ₹1 coins is 5 times that of ₹2 coins, find the number of coins of each type. So here I am going to solve the first one, that is solution of question number 1. What is given, student? If the number of ₹1 coins is 5 times that of ₹2 coins, let the number of ₹2 coin be x. We suppose that the number of ₹2 coin be x, then number of ₹1 coins be 5 times that of ₹2 coin. ₹2 coins be x, then number of ₹1 coin be 5x. Now according to question, a bag contains ₹1 coins and ₹2 coins whose total value is ₹70. The total value of the bag is ₹70. So what we do here, the number of ₹1 coin is 5x. 5x number of coin multiplied with the coin plus number of ₹2 coin is multiplied with 2, and the total value of the bag is ₹70. Now 5x into 1 we get 5 plus x into 2 we get 2x is equal to 70. 5x plus 2x we get here 7x is equal to 70. So x is equal to 70 by 7. We get the value of x 10. So what is x? X is the number of ₹2 coin. Therefore, number of ₹2 coins be 10 and number of ₹1 coins be 5x, that is 5 into 10, that is 50. It means the bag contains 10 ₹2 coin and 50 ₹1 coin. Okay. Now we solve the next one. Now the second question is, Tanuj is 4 times as old as his son. Tanuj is 4 times as old as his son. After 16 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Find his son's present age. Tanuj is 4 times as old as his son. So what we do first? Tanuj is 4 times as old as his son. So first we do, let Tanuj son's age be x years. Okay. Let Tanuj son's age be x years. Then Tanuj age. Tanuj is 4 times as old as his son. So, Tanuj age be 4x years, 4 times as old as his son says. Now, he will be twice as old as his son after 16 years. After 16 years, Tanuj is twice as old as his son's present age. Okay? This is Tanuj's son's present age and this is Tanuj's present age. Now the question is, after 16 years, he will be twice as old as his son's. Find his son's present age. So, what we do first? First we find out after 16 years, Tanuj son's age. After 16 years, if Tanuj's son's present age is x, then after 16 years, the age is x plus 16 years. Okay? Now, Tanuj present age is 4x. So, after 16 years, the age becomes 4x plus 16 years. Now, according to the question, what the question says? After 16 years, Tanuj will be twice as old as his son's age. This is Tanuj is 4x plus 16 and this is Tanuj's son's age after 16 years. After 16 years, Tanuj's age is twice as old as his son's present age. So, if we multiply Tanuj's son's age with 2, when both the statements are equal. So, now we solve the question. 4x plus 16 is equal to 2 into x. 2x plus 16 to 32. 4x minus 2x is equal to 32 minus 16. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 2, that is 8 years. So, what we have to find out? Find his son's present age. Son's present age be 8 years. Okay? What we do? First we suppose that Tanuj's son's age be x years. So, Tanuj's age be 4x. This is the present age. Okay? Now, after 16 years, Tanuj's son's age x plus 16, we add 16 with the present age. Tanuj's age is equal to 4x plus 16. Now, according to question, Tanuj is twice as old as his son's age after 16 years. So, after that, we solve the equation and get that son's present age be 8 years. Okay? Now, we move to our third question. The third question is, a number has 2 digits whose sum is 7. If we write a number 92, it has 2 digits. This digit is called unit digit and this digit is called tens digit. Okay? We can write 92 as 90 plus 2. It means we have to multiply the tens digit number with 10. 9 into 10 plus 2. What we do? We multiply the tens digit number with 10 and then add the unit digit number. Okay? So, the question is a 2-digit number. A number has 2 digits whose sum is 7. Okay? A number has 2 digits whose sum is 7. So, let the unit digit be x. Sum of unit digit and tens digit is 7. So, the tens digit become 7 minus x. Let the unit digit be x and tens digit be 7 minus x. Then first we find out the number. For finding the number, what we do? We multiply the tens digit number with 10 and add the unit digit number. So it becomes 10 into 7, 70 minus 10x plus x. 70 minus 9x minus 10x plus x, 9x. Now the question is, if 27 is added to the number, its digit get interchange. If we add 27 in this number, then the digit interchange. So first we find out number after interchanging the digit. When we interchange the digit, x becomes tens digit number and 7 minus x becomes unit digit number or ones digit number. So it becomes 10 into x plus 7 minus x. 10 into x, 10x plus 7 minus x. 10x minus x, it becomes 9x plus 7. Okay. Now according to question, if 27 is added to the number, if we add 27 in this number, 70 minus 9x, if we add 27 in this number, its digit get interchange. Its digit get interchange. It means if we add 27, then this number is equal to this number, that is 9x plus 7. Now we can solve the equation. So first we arrange the variable on one side and constant on the other side. So it becomes minus 9x and this 9x comes in this side. Again it becomes minus 9x is equal to 7 minus 27 minus 70. So minus 9x, it becomes minus 18x. 27 minus 7, 7 minus 27, this is minus 20 and minus 70, it becomes minus 90. So minus minus cancel out, here it is x is equal to 19 by 8, that is 5. So the unit digit becomes 5 and the tens digit becomes 7 minus 5, that is 2. So what we have to find out? Find the number. So we have to find the number. So how we find the number? So if we add number is equal to 10 into tens digit number. Tens digit number is 2 plus unit digit number, that is 5. The number becomes 25. Okay. What we do first? First we suppose that the unit digit number is x and the tens digit number is 7 minus x, because the sum of unit digit and tens digit is 7. Now we find first the number. Number is equal to 10 into 10 digit number plus unit digit number, and we get the number is equal to 70 minus 9x. Now when we add 27, then the digits interchange. So number after interchanging the digit, so now this x becomes tens digit number and 7 minus x becomes unit digit number, and after interchanging its digit we get the number 9x plus 7. Now according to question, we add 27 in the original number, then we get the number after interchanging its digit, and we solve and we get the value of x is equal to 5, that is unit digit number is 5 and the tens digit number is 2. So we find the number, that is 10 into 10 digit number, 10 into 2, 20 plus 5, 25. In this way we can solve more and more problems based on simple equation. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day.